All right, hello everyone. So right now I have a Court Kings 2017-18 unboxing for you. This is one of my Christmas gifts from my family. You can see Lonzo Ball is there on the front. We've got Jason Tatum, Giannis, and Kyle Kuzma, rookies, in front of us. Obviously these two are from this year. So let's look at the box. 10 trading cards. 1 auto and 1 mem card per box on average. There is Lonzo 2017-18 Court Kings. All right, let's do it. Here is the box. We'll shift this down. And it's got the box topper, so there's that. Put this in the back there. All right, here's the box topper. Let's open this up. Sometimes these can be autos. Got a Malcolm Brogdon non-autograph. That's cool though. Panoramics, Malcolm Brogdon for the Bucks. That's cool. And here is the pack of cards. Let's move this. I tried to look at a couple videos, but I don't know if I can remember the order or anything, so let me look first. I think these back two can come up. Yes, that's right. All right, we'll start here. Avery Bradley. So that's what they look like. Cool artwork there. There's the back. So I like that. Avery Bradley. Chris Dunn. Dion Waiters. That's cool. Rodney Hood. We've got a Frank, can't say that, Ntilikina rookie card. That's pretty good. He's got stellar defense. So that's cool. 6'5". Didn't know he was that tall. Very cool. Rookie card. Got an insert. Renaissance Men. Dave Cowens. Center. Another rookie, Derek White. I like that artwork. Chandler Parsons, blue. That is numbered to 25. That's cool. I hope he can get back on track. I know he's been hurt for so long. I don't even know if he's playing anymore. All right, and here is the autograph. Justin Jackson on card, fresh paint. That's cool. And I'm sorry, I'm looking ahead to the next card already. It is pretty sweet. Okay, hold on. So here is that. Not numbered. Oh, yes, it is. Out of 100. So Justin Jackson auto out of 100. And jumping ahead, I won't even look at the front yet. LeBron James Artistic Endeavors 1 of 1. I don't even know what the front looks like, obviously. 1 of 1 LeBron James. Let's see. Oh, all right. Size XL. So from a piece of his clothing, from his jersey, I presume. Look at that. 1 of 1 Artistic Endeavors. LeBron James. That is sick. Wow, 1 of 1. That is crazy. Shout out to my sister and to her boyfriend. They got me this. Thank y'all very much. LeBron James, we'll say it one more time. LeBron James, tag, size XL, 1 of 1. All right, well, here are our hits. That is sick. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. I will see y'all next video. I'm out.